Dinner tonight, I'm cooking some chopped collard greens. Right, got it from Walmart, and I'm gonna put some ham in it, ginger, scallions, onions, garlic, Maggi, aji, some olive, milk. Three packs of the frozen collard greens, and I know that once you start cooking it, it dries down. I was gonna do 2 packs, but I figured 3 will be enough for us for a few days. Avocado oil. I got this from Marshall's, I think. So that's how much I have in the pan there. I'm waiting for it to heat up. So I'm gonna start with some garlic. And I love my garlic. What I'm using is this here. Get it from Walmart. Alright. Ginger. Let that saute for a little bit. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna put some Maggi. Let your garlic brown like me. And there. Stuff in there. Okay. And I'll just saute it for a little. I'll saute it for maybe a minute or two. I'm gonna add the meat. Alright, then this is ham. Add the collard greens. Simply just making sure that the meat is equally distributed throughout the entire pot of greens, because as I was cooking it, it looked like it was a little bit, but it ended up being just the right amount. We're gonna add some coconut milk. Ooh. It's not enough. I'm gonna add another can of coconut. Yeah. What I use is Korean dreams, okay? Stir that in there. Now you know what I'm gonna add? I'm gonna add a teaspoon of sugar. Ooh. So what I'm going to do is leave the cover off so that the water could dry down. So I can add some seasoning stuff and the remaining stuff that I have to add inside, which will be this right here, some of this, some of that. Yeah. And maybe some garlic salt. Maybe a little dry shrimps. This is gonna give it a nice flavor right here. Mm-hmm. Aji, got it right here. I'm cooking with aji. They say aji ain't good for you, but aji just make it food taste better. Alright, I'm gonna put some of this. All this seasoning. Just a little bit. That's enough. Stir that. If you're trying this, make sure you taste it to make sure it's not too salty. Okay? This thing right here, this dry shrimps, this makes this kind of stuff taste so good. Pumpkin, shine rice, coconut. Oh my goodness. If you can get a hold of this and keep it, you always soak it for a couple minutes and then add it after your food is dried down. Okay, so now I'm going to add it. It's going to give it such a nice flavor. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yes. Stir it in. This is gonna taste so bomb. I'm gonna add to this sweet riri pepper, or my pepper we call it. A bit more of this too. That, and it's pretty much done. It's gonna just let it cook for like an additional 5 minutes, and it's done. It is done, so, but yeah, let it simmer down for 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. And just like that, it is all done.